This is Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage in Sri Lanka. A place where rescued elephants find peace, care and community. Every day, the elephants are brought to the river for their favourite time, a refreshing bath under the open sky. There are 2 elephant bathing sessions each day, from 10 AM to 5 PM and again from 2 PM to 4 PM. You can even take part in the bathing, an unforgettable memory you'll cherish forever. Here you'll witness joy in its purest form, a moment of calm in the wild heart of Sri Lanka. The orphanage is open from 8:30 AM to 5:30 PM. It offers other activities like milk feeding and fruit feeding. Full details are in the description below. If you're visiting Sri Lanka, don't miss this unforgettable experience. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.